Slice order. Order type that slice order. Of larger quantity. Or value into smaller orders. Where each small order is sent to the exchange only after the previous order is filled. This helps to reduce the impact cost of execution, in addition to not revealing large orders in the market depths. In market movers, user can view top gainers, top losers, active by volume, active by value, for BSE, NSE, MCX, and other segment. Holding tab. Show user list of securities in Demat account. Shares purchased will show under the holding tab from T+1 day, trade day +1. Start your journey with Phillip9. Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.